Okay, question 19, part A, we're asked to factorize 6 plus 9x. I just said factorize, so that means we're going to have one factor. Let's take what is common to 6 and 9. It's 3, so we can put a 3 outside, and not a 3 there, let's put a 2 there. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3x is 9x. You can check that by expanding it out if you choose. Next part, factorize y squared minus 16y. What you need to look out for here is that we've got two terms, both of which are squares. And in between, we've got this subtract, or sometimes known as the difference between these two squares. So this is the difference of two squares. And the difference of two squares always ends up in two brackets, because actually it's just a special case of a quadratic. It's this quadratic, y squared minus 0 lots of y minus 16. So two numbers that multiply to negative 16 but add to 0. We're going to have y here and y here. And the square root of 16 is 4. And we have a plus and a minus. And you'll see that if we were to expand that out and tidy it up, we're going to get y squared minus 16. Next part, we're asked to factorize 2p squared minus p minus 10. Another quadratic we have to deal with. So we're going to have two brackets in this case. And at the front, we're going to have 2p. And then the other one's going to be p. Now, we need to think of the factors of 10. So let's see, if we put a 2 here and a 5 here, let's see, 5 times 2 will give me the 10. Okay, now let's think about the signs. I need to get negative p. So if I do 2p times positive 2, that would give me positive 4p. And if I did negative 5 times p, that would give me negative 5p. And when we add those guys together, we're going to get negative p. So that will work. So our factors are 2p minus 5 and p plus 2.